All right, I have our Rhodes stage piano, something that we found at a storage auction. It was a collaborative effort to restore it. I don't play, my wife does though, and my kids are instrumentally inclined. I was able to write, but don't play. So anyway, we after restoration we had it's been sitting. You got like two keys right here that are a little fine little line in the middle right there. You can feel it. Probably needs tuned. It's mostly in tune. There's a couple keys on each side that probably need adjusted. Tuning it's fairly easy. Um, there's little coils on the end of the bars that you can slide up and down, and of course I'm sure if you've played then you have a tuner and you can do all that. Just a matter of sliding those coils up and down. But you're in there. Definitely use the sustain pedal. That's it. Just wanted to get something up there that shows that it plays. And like I said, needs some tuning yet. If it sits here too much longer, I'll probably go through it and tune it. Like I said, it's not terribly out of tune. There's just a handful of notes, I believe, that are out, and just a matter of that slide adjustment. But that's it. Thank you.